Welcome to the Basics Hub. In today's video, we're sharing some fantastic DIY home organization tips to help you declutter and maximize your space. We'll show you easy and affordable DIY projects from closets to kitchens using materials you can find around the house or at your local store. Let's get started on transforming your home into an organized oasis. First up, let's tackle the closet. The first step to organizing is decluttering. Go through your clothes and ask yourself, have I worn this in the last year? If not, it might be time to donate or discard it. Now that we've decluttered, let's create some DIY organizers. Use a hanging shoe organizer to store accessories like scarves, belts, and small bags. Simply hang it on the back of your closet door. For drawers, you can make dividers using cardboard. Cut the cardboard into strips and arrange them to create sections for socks, underwear, or ties. Next, let's move to the kitchen. Start by decluttering your countertops and cabinets. Remove items you rarely use and consider donating duplicates. Use a small wooden crate or a tiered shelf to create a DIY spice rack. This will keep your spices organized and easily accessible. Mason jars are perfect for storing dry goods like pasta, rice, and snacks. Label each jar for easy identification. For utensils, you can repurpose a tin can or a small bucket. Simply decorate it with paint or fabric to match your kitchen decor. Now let's tackle the living room. Start by decluttering surfaces like coffee tables and entertainment centers. Remove items that don't belong and find a home for everything. You can easily make fabric baskets using old t-shirts or fabric scraps. Simply cut the fabric into strips and braid them together to create a basket shape. For magazines, use a cardboard box and cut it at an angle to create a magazine holder. Cover it with decorative paper for a stylish touch. Finally, let's organize the bedroom. Start by decluttering your nightstand and dresser. Remove items that don't belong and keep only what you need. Use plastic bins or old suitcases to create underbed storage. This is a great way to utilize space and keep seasonal clothing or extra bedding out of sight. For jewelry, you can repurpose a picture frame. Stretch a piece of mesh or lace across the frame and hang your jewelry on it for a decorative display. In summary, organizing your home doesn't have to be overwhelming. With these simple DIY projects and tips, you can create a more functional and beautiful space. Remember, the key is to declutter regularly and find creative solutions that work for you. Thank you for joining us for these DIY home organization tips. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more creative ideas and home improvement tips. Let us know your thoughts and any organizational challenges you face in the comments below.